Hello, this is my friend Iris, and we're going to the strawberry farm, and I'm really excited because I wanted to go to strawberry farm for so long, and I love the strawberry farm. And Iris isn't excited because she's stupid. Just kidding, that's me. Bless you. Okay, strawberry farm time. Bye.
We're going to a farm.
Yeah, so we just came to the farm, and they don't do it anymore because they ran out of strawberries. But they have some. They have strawberries, but they don't have it for the tour, and I'm really sad.
But we're gonna go eat.
I know, but there's no strawberries.
We went to Trader Joe's, and I got this thing because I used to eat these a lot when I was growing up. And when I was like 3 years old, my mom would send me with a little bit of Korean monies and tell me to go to the little convenience store and buy some chocolate covered sunflower seeds. TBT, it's when I lived in Korea.
My nose itches.
Hey, it's so pretty.
I know.
It's pink. I love pink.
So we bought this nail polish and wait for it. There's no brush. It's literally just a bottle of polish. Do they sell individual brushes? I'm so shocked. This is crazy. SMH Sally's. You know, you could have this, Yuna. I give it to you as a present. Oh, I'm so mad.
Hello. Okay, so just I guess more updates on my life. So I stopped going to the salon and I just bleached it at home yesterday, and I'm gonna go tone it now so I can dye it colors. And then I had this really weird habit of taking pictures whenever I go on like some like weird shopping spree or something like that. So I decided now that I have like a place to put videos, I can just like record it instead of like taking a picture of it and just getting it lost forever. So yeah, I will be putting that up, I guess. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little window you can like see here. Funny. I just played out with Iris, and I think that's all I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go home and watch One Tree Hill because I started that yesterday, and it's pretty. Okay, honestly, I really like dark TV shows. Like I love Dexter and Criminal Minds, House MD, Grey's Anatomy, Scandal, How to Get Away with Murder, things like that. But this is not that at all. It's very like just drama, like American drama. But like it makes me so angry. Like things that happen to the characters, I'm like, that's so sad. So it's like kind of got me hooked. So hopefully I'll finish it soon because there's 22 episodes ish per season, and there's 9 seasons. So I'm guessing like a month and I should be finished. Like a week, half a week per season. I don't know. Okay, that's all. Bye. Another update. Like when I say blonde, I mean like I'm really blonde right now. Hopefully it won't be so yellow tomorrow. I mean not tomorrow. A little bit later when I tone it and stuff, because it's like really blonde. Yeah, I will fix it today, and hopefully I'll be happy afterwards. I'm so giggly right now, I don't know why. I'm just like, oh wow, I'm like really red, and you can like see my bad driving posture, but okay, bye!